Hello everybody, today we're at another New York State Park.
Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So as you guys know, we had to cancel our trip to Indiana and head back home, but we were able to have somebody watch my mom and head back out.
So instead of south, we went north, and right now we're at Green Lake State Park.
Another New York State Park. This park is just outside of Syracuse, New York. It's very easy to get to off the 90.
It's a very beautiful park, and as you can see behind us, the water is green, and that's where the name comes from.
Right. Hiya. She wants to, yeah, about 5 months.
There's actually two lakes in the park. One is Green Lake, which is right behind us, and then just up the little ways is Round Lake. And both of these lakes are really deep. They were formed by the glaciers melting and the waterfalls off of the glaciers.
And something with the water that it doesn't mix is why it causes the green, and it stays clear.
The water
all the
is
time
very
because
clear.
it rained last night and this water is crystal clear. They have a beautiful beach.
Designated areas for swimming, and they've even got places for people to do laps in deeper water.
You can kayak in this lake and canoe in this lake, but you cannot bring your own kayak or canoe. So that's unfortunate.
The park itself has two campgrounds in it.
We're in the Pine Campground, I think it's called.
And the other one's Rolling Hills.
Rolling Hills.
And they just started and put a new section in up by where we're at, where they have full hookups.
They have about a dozen or so full 50 amp full hookup sites that are paved,
And some of them
and
are
then
pull-throughs.
some that have partial hookups, and they're cinder block. That's the only thing we don't like about
cinders.
cinder blocks. Cinder blocks makes it really hard for it to drive around in.
There's a full 18-hole golf course with a pro shop in the park, and there's a bunch of other hiking trails that go up and around, and biking trails. But there are some of the trails that don't allow bikes on them, so you have to make sure that which trails you're on.
Another thing we dislike about the place is we haven't been able to find any type of store. They have a place that says Camp Store, and it was supposed to be open from 9 to 4, but it's not open. It's a real tiny building.
Yeah,
But
they say that you can get ice and firewood at the main
office.
The main office when you come in,
So-
check in or whatever. But their dump stations are really nice. The way the dump stations are set up.
Yep, they have two dump stations side by side, so when you come into the park, you want to get, if you need water in your tanks, you want to stop there and fill your water up first. They do have water spigots around the campgrounds, but they don't have attachments, so you either need like a water bandit to be able to get the water into your camper, or you'd need to put it into a 5-gallon and then get it into your camper another way. This is a beautiful park. Definitely worth a stop. We're here for 2 days, 3 nights.
Right.
And then we're going to head up to another state park that Ron's never been to.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Leave some comments down below.
And I hope everybody shares it out.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye now.
Bye.